Hey folks, welcome to 437 Prestwood Drive here in Clarksville, Virginia. You know, history remembers this property as once being the old Prestwood Plantation carriage house. But over the decades, this property has been transformed into what it represents today, and that surely is luxury and elegance. The property is now on the market, 3,200 square feet of living space with an additional 1,000 square feet on the third floor that's ready to be finished. But it's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and just major accents throughout that represent some of the finest polishes this property can have. Listen, I can sit here and talk to you about it all day long, but it's a property that you have to see to believe. Y'all check it out. Well, hey folks, what'd you think about the property? You know, just to recap, it's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths on an 1.5 acres of land just outside of Prestwood Plantation. Some other features I'd like to note is the property is wired for 400 amp service. It's got a 22 kilowatt Generac generator, whole home water filtration system, screened in porch, multiple decks both at ground level and second story. The first story is handicap accessible. I'm telling you that the things that this home could be, from bed and breakfast to your own major retreat here in Virginia's Lake Country in Clarksville, Virginia, it's just that the possibilities are endless. So if you'd like to see this property, give me a call, 804-210-6533. I'd certainly love to talk with you about it, love to show it to you. You can call us at the office, 434-374-2011, and as always, check out any of our properties on the web at ucvirginiarealty.com. Well, folks, that's a wrap here at 437 Prestwood Drive. It's a beautiful piece of property. It certainly is a property that you should come take a look at. Give me a call. Y'all take care, and we'll see you in the next one.